I'm pickle crazy, and I'm ready to try something else using pickles. I've heard for a while about these things called Kool-Lickles, which are Kool-Aid pickles. Well, I'm gonna make a rainbow assortment of Kool-Aid pickles so I could try different flavors. Come join me.
This is gonna be so much fun!
I can't wait!
We'll need multiple jars of pickles. Let's save that juice! You'll need 7 jars for all the colors of the rainbows. Let's put pickles in all those jars.
It's my turn now. You'll need a packet of me in each jar. And a half a cup of sugar.
Let's top that up with some pickle juice. Now cover those jars. Now shake, shake, shake those pickles. Shake them really good.
Now you'll need to use multiple packets of me. All the colors of the rainbow.
We sure work well together.
This was a lot of fun. So colorful.
And now you just refrigerate them for up to a week. Can't wait to taste.
It's been a week and they look absolutely awesome. Look at that. Look how colorful. It's time to taste the rainbow. Strawberry. It's a very sweet pickle. With a little strawberry afternote. Watermelon. You taste more watermelon than pickle? It's so fun. Peach, mango. They're all great. It's just like I'm tasting mango juice with a crunch. Pineapple. So tropical and delicious. Green apple. It's a very sour, this one. Sour, very appley and pickly. Combined. Blue raspberry lemonade. I can't get over how great these pickles are. And our last one is grape. Look how black that pickle is. So much fun, so much fun. It's a great pickle and it's amazing. Well, that was a fun experiment and it paid off. You need to try Kool-Lickles. So much better than I expected. It is really good. I think my favorite one might be the mango peach, with watermelon being a close second place. But really, you've got to try them all. In other Kool-Lickle videos, I heard that cherry was the best. I didn't try that one, but you know what? I loved them all. I accidentally dropped some pickles in my pineapple Kool-Aid. Guess it's now Trop Pickle.